How can we make our hot summer very special and less irritating? Every country and town has its own traditions and varieties of food. And in South Punjab, people used to drink different types of juices to just reduce their hotness of stomach. Today, I come with the mouth-watering juice of Indian berries. So let's know how to make. To make juice of Indian Sharbat berry, we need Indian berries, black salt, white salt, plain water, sugar, fresh mint leaves, ice cubes and chilled water. Add all these ingredients into the jug of blender and blend them well. Except ice cubes in chilled water. Blend them very well and then take a large size of a strainer to strain all the seeds from the liquid. After it, just put mint leaves and ice cubes into the juice and enjoy it. Mint leaf will reduce this hotness and burning of stomach and also a long lasting taste till end of the day. So guys, it's request to you that must try it and make your summer enjoyable and chilling. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for such refreshing videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.